Hey guys, here I am again with another Wedding Album Wednesday, and I hope you all had a great and wonderful Christmas. This is obviously after I've walked down the aisle and we're here at the, I don't know what that's called. Anyway, I did matte this with that and this one with the black. And I didn't have a whole lot of that left, so we are making things work here. Anywho, I did not like the way that was black and this is so dark, so I brought this white piece in, and if I remember correctly, I can't punch this, so it'll just be an accent piece. Oops. And I also wanted to use this here ribbon. Yeah, I didn't think I had a whole lot left, but let me go ahead and get this all done so I can lay it down on something that doesn't need to be adhered to it. That's what I do. Alright, so first things first. Check. And some more. Ooh, that felt weird. Crap, I did it. Y'all saw that, didn't you? Anyway. I wanted this one top. Then I guess this one down here. And then I don't know where I had planned on using. I don't think I am going to use that ribbon because these four corners kind of make it look, I don't know, it's like the border already on there. So you, sir, can go to the side. But thank you for trying to participate. Alright, so I had some little word stickers that I was kind of wanting to pick out. This one definitely looks like it needs to go in the top corner here. And pop that down there because I had one of these I wanted to use. Kind of feel like they're too big now. We'll see. Oops, what's this? Was I supposed to use that on this one? Probably so I could bring in the turquoise. Huh. Well, let's just add it. And act like I knew what I was doing. We all know that's not true. Now these I kind of was just like loved all the things. That's pretty much why I bought them in the beginning. But I also can get a little wordy with my layouts, if you know what I mean. And if you watch more than one of my videos, you know what I mean. Oh yeah, kind of like that. And I was going through my little, because I have all my embellishments for the wedding album in like a dollar store bucket. And so ones like this that have, you know, 5 left, I'm like, yes, we're getting them done today. But maybe not today, but, you know, working on it. Okay. See, now I can't use those either because they feel like a border, like the ribbon. And I feel like that's too much frillies. So we're going to get rid of y'all. Those are rings. I don't know. I don't think I need those in this one. Okay, so... oh yeah, I wanted to use this Love and Laughter. And Awesome. There we go. Too many flags? Probably. But it's down now. Neener, neener. No, let me stop. Okay. Don't know. That's not going to work well. Kind of need to have... there we go. Maybe that. And I love this one, but... two squares? Is that 2 squares? I think it is. I don't think that's gonna work. Oh, you know what? Boom. That doesn't make sense because these are my people. I mean, they are my people, but I will use that there though because it will cover up those extra pieces. Oh, my other half. That's cute. Am I getting too wordy? Yeah. I will take up Awesome. If Awesome will let me. And it will because it's awesome. And I will put down my other half. Okay, put you back. I think that's enough words. Starting to get a little bit all over the place here. Okay. Ooh, do we want to use... I feel like because I don't have any pink paper, that pink embellishments are kind of taking over. But sometimes you just gotta be okay with it. I hope you guys had a great Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. I don't celebrate Christmas traditional way, like buying gifts for everybody and their grandmother. But I know some people really enjoy doing that. I do enjoy giving gifts, don't get me wrong. That's like my love language. So I do enjoy, so I still did get my kids something, but you know, they didn't all get, because as you can see I have 4 lovely little kids. They're not little anymore, but you know, I couldn't buy all of them PS4s or, you know, laptops and computers because that's not how my bank account rolls. Anyway, I think no. I think I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me scatter everything, and hope to see you guys next time, and have a happy new year. Bye.